Is that Scotch bonnet pepper? Those?
That's Scotch bonnet,
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
I'm hotter than those.
Oh, okay.
No, for real. I am hotter than those, man. Ask him.
Abbi here, back with another video, and today I'm in the local market in St. John's. I'm going to just be picking out a few foods today. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get to the video. What do you like? Okay, this is Cataton. This is something else you can make tea from.
Yeah, that is good for cold, this and this.
Good for colds.
Yeah.
How much? What's this?
Cinnamon.
I'm so obsessed with smelling this cinnamon leaf. It just smells so good. Yeah, I think that's a good price. This is $9. You're gonna let me taste this star fruit since I've never had it before. And all of this. It has a bit of sweetness. This part of it.
Okay, my name is Nigel, and I'm working with this beautiful young lady at the market. And it goes like this. You want to watch me? And I'm going to serve the young lady.
Thank you so much.
You want me to feed her too?
Nice.
That is so good. This is so good. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the market now and head to another spot where you can find a lot of vendors, which is close to an area called Woods Mall. And I'm just basically trying to get some banana, maybe some dragon fruit. I don't know, maybe I might end up spending over my budget. Hopefully not, but yeah, let's get into the video. This is what I got from the market. Yeah, looking good, everything looking fresh and healthy. Also, you saw that I just got some really good coconut water thanks to Nigel again. And yeah, let's get to the next section of the video. I'm right outside another spot where you can get fresh vegetables in Antigua. I'm gonna check out the first stall. I can already see some really vibrant colors that you're gonna love. So yeah, let's go. Look at how huge these mangoes are. What is this? Oh my gosh! I had this in Guyana once. Okay, so what's really cool is they have sapodilla. I've only had this sapodilla. I'll put the spelling on the video because I'm not pronouncing it properly. But this is so good. This is the first time I've seen this in Antigua. How much is it? $5, right? Okay, I'll take that.
Nobody can save you because you no get power. Nobody can run away if they enter the fire. Oh, tell me they lay me, you no get the power. Move to Balota, me. Oh, no. Oh, tell me they lay me. No, we no get time for your ways. I no get time for your grace.
So these papayas are locally grown in Antigua. Look how huge these are. Okay, look at this. Look at my hand. These are bigger than my hand. So he just offered to cut one of the pineapples for me. So I'll get to taste it. Got the pineapple all cut up in slices, as you can see. I'm trying so many good things today. Fresh local fruit.
Nothing else is greater because power pass power. Nobody can save you because you no get power. Nobody can run away if they enter the fire. Oh, tell me they lay me, you no get the power. Move to Balota, me. Oh, no. Oh, tell me they.
Oh, okay, it feels like it's been a long day, but it's still morning right now. And I am a bit drained, so what I'm gonna do is make a coffee stop at one of my favorite spots in Antigua, and it's called Simply Coffee. So yeah, see you when I'm at the coffee stop. Okay, so now I've made it to Simply Coffee. I might get coffee, iced coffee preferably, or a smoothie. I'm not sure, but you'll get to see. So yeah, stay tuned.
I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing.
refreshing. And tap brain freeze.
I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing until what a world. I'm gonna sing down under the water until what a world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing.
Thank you so much for getting to the end of my video. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye.